Hello, this is me, ALIRAZAMARKETING, Google Ads, Facebook Ads, and Bing Ads certified advertising professional, as well as an owner of a Google partner company. And today I'm here with a new question. So let's get started on the question. Today I have, hi everyone. I have a client who requested to turn off Performance Max and search partners. Since then, search volume and performance has significantly dropped. Does anyone have any tips besides running the bids and budget sanks? Okay, so you have turned off two things. One is Performance Max, and second is search partners. As far as the search partners is concerned, personally, if you ask me, I frankly did not have any good experience with search partners. The conversion rates are way lower, and in some scenarios, I was not able to even find some conversions for my client, even not a single conversion. What if I tell you? Yeah, the CPC is lower at search partners, but what's the purpose of getting the traffic which is useless? So if your question is regarding the search volume and performance has significantly dropped, so in case if your volume has been dropped, volume should not be your main concern because you are here to get more conversion, sales, leads. So if your leads are being dropped, then that's another scenario. But if just your volume is dropped, it's okay. As far as the question regarding the Performance Max campaign is turned off, my question is why they do turned off the Performance Max, and if they have turned off the Performance Max, what alternatives you have done? For instance, have you created a separate search campaign, separate display campaign? That is a scenario where it's acceptable that you can do testing to see if Performance Max as a combine was working well or a separate campaigns are working well. So yeah, you can do this strategy, and I also believe that A/B testing should be done. But now, because on the what basis the Performance Max campaign you have posed on, because that is very important. So if you ask me tips regarding raising the bid and budget, I would ask you to create specific campaigns. For search partners, I do not recommend you to even create a campaign. But yeah, you can create other campaigns such as retargeting, remarketing campaigns, and you can acquire traffic from those. You can optimize on your landing pages. You can create deals, promotions, prices, review extensions, add on your ads, and that can significantly increase your sales and conversions. And I'd like for Performance Max, I told you the alternatives that you can create separate display, shopping campaigns, and that can cover the Performance Max over there, because the Performance Max is just a combined new campaign type with an AI, artificial intelligence based optimized data. So that can also help you. And what about your regular search campaign, what you are doing right now? Because I assume that you are running another campaign, because your traffic is not eliminated but it's dropped. So what about the other campaigns? You can optimize those other campaigns as well. You can do the audit. There are certain things which can increase your sales, looking around your keywords, bidding strategy, ads, ad extensions, new areas, new locations, new timings. Look around on your off-peak timings and optimize those. That can help out. Looking around your competitors, what they are doing, and that can also help you in improving your sales. So I hope it answers your questions. So in case if you like this video, make sure to subscribe to this channel and press the bell icon, and share if you like it. And in case if you need me or my team company services, the details are in the description of this video and how you can reach with us and work with us. Once again, thank you for watching. Take care and bye bye.